This is a 2007 Land Rover Range Rover. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults, a 4.4-liter V8 four-wheel drive. Plus, having just come off lease, this Land Rover is in like-new condition. Its top features include an air suspension, a locking center differential, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a navigation system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a premium audio system, leather seats, performance tires, a security system, energy-absorbing front crumple zones, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 62,000 miles. This Land Rover has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.